Hey. Morning, folks. Welcome back to Manist OK. Well, as you can see, we got a new delivery yesterday. So I'm going to add to our Woodland Mills collection. We're going to put the chipper together here and get it to work. So I guess that's what we'll do today. We'll go through the build of that, and hopefully we can all learn something. Anyway, let's get at it. Have your coffee. Good stuff. Off this page here.
They pack their stuff well, don't they?
Oh yeah, they sure do. There.
Cool. It's actually quite nice though, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not bad at all.
It's supposed to be 13 this afternoon, but just raining again.
Yeah. Yeah, just fitting a bit.
Yeah.
Really not a bad thing. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hello!
Look at that. Shiny. The only thing you could really make it better, given that it's going on a tractor, is it could be orange.
You could spray paint it.
Well, I don't think I will. Woodland Mills puts a pretty good coat of paint on it, so.
Matches the sawmill.
Matches the sawmill, so yeah. Well, Josh said the instructions were in here. I think the chickens like it too. Sure enough. Just as advertised. Operator's manual. Another Christmas catalog, eh? What should I buy next? All right, well, let's get to her. hex drive, 13mm cranks or something. So the nut and washer go on the outside, the hex drive goes on the inside. Wow, butterfinger. There you go, Thunder Bay KOA. Okay, after rereading the instructions, 2 bolts here, 1 bolt here. Okay, that'll allow to put the rounded edge on here in a second. So, 2 on the bottom, 4 on the top. Don't tighten them down because that happens after you get everything set up. I don't think you'll ever hear of anybody saying Woodland Mills stuff is poorly packed. Not many bolts left now. Whack. Hey, I mean, thanks, Wobbly. Okay, so the back side uses short bolts, front side uses long bolts. The metal's not as thick on the back side, so anyway. It's the WC46. Nice tool. It's going to get lots of use around here at Manistee. As you can see, Mother Nature played a kind of a mean trick on us last night and gave us another little light blanket of snow. Thankfully it wasn't a whole bunch, but they're calling actually for another 4 inches in a couple days. So, you know, April showers maybe in southern Ontario, not so much in northern Ontario. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe. We'll see you around next time. Take care.